Sorry, Loves, got cut off there. I was talking too much. So negative 45 degrees would start here and it would dip down 45 degrees. And we'll label it as negative pi over 4. Great. We also need to list the quadrant. So quadrant 1, 2, 3, quadrant 4. Okay, 23 pi over 12. So if we were calculating the angle on that, if we were doing 23/12 times 180, now I'm familiar, I know 12 goes into 180, but let's say I didn't know exactly how many times. 6 goes into 180 30 times, right? 6 goes into 18 3 times, so 180 30 times. 6 goes into 12 twice, and then you can simplify that as well. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 30 15 times. Oh, 23 times 15. Let's just make it easy. 23 times 15, 345 degrees. Now let's remember a full rotation would be 360 degrees. So this would just be a little bit shy of that. In fact, 360 minus 345 would leave you with 15 degrees. So it's going to cover everything except for those 15 degrees. So we'll say 23 pi over 12, and that also is in quadrant 4. Cool. Coterminal angles. We did this, and we were adding 360, we were subtracting 360 to get the coterminal angles. But now we're doing it with radians. And remember, one full rotation gets you a coterminal angle. One full rotation with radians is 2 pi radians. Right? So we're going to be adding 2 pi radians or subtracting 2 pi radians to get the coterminal angles. So here's pi, right? We're getting 5/6 of that. So here would be 3/6, 4/6, 5/6-ish. 5 pi over 6. And if you're drawing a negative 7/6 pi, that would be 7 of those 6s. So here would be 3 of the 6s. Here would be 6/6, right? And then here would be 7/6. So negative 7 pi over 6. Now, these are the exact same angle. They are coterminal angles. You can always convert these into degrees, and you'll find that they're the same thing. 5/6 of 180 is 150. 7/6 would be negative 210. So they come out to the exact same angle. Oh boy. Boop. There we go. Again, we're going to be adding or subtracting 2 pi radians to each of these. So 5 pi over 3, let's think of 2 pi over 1, which again is one full rotation. If we were getting it to thirds, 1 times 3 gives you 3. 2 pi times 3 would be 6 pi over 3. So one full rotation in this case would be 6 pi over 3. So let's try that out with 5 pi over 3 plus 6 pi over 3, which again would be one full rotation. That would give us 11 pi over 3 for our positive referencing. We're going to subtract it for our negative referencing. So 5 pi over 3 minus 6 pi over 3, which would give us negative pi over 3. We'll start the next ones in the next video.